From Giant 96 in Shelbyville, this is Real Radio News on Giant96.com.
Good morning, it's John Schoentrup with Giant 96 Real Radio. We're out here at the 10th Annual Home Expo by the Shelby County Builders Association. And right now I'm talking with Lucinda Franklin from CGS Services. Lucinda, just kind of tell us who CGS is. I know there's a wide variety of jobs that CGS does.
Yes, there is, John. We actually do residential trash and recycling in the community. We also do construction roll-off dumpsters for anyone that's doing any kind of building or remodeling. We have portable restrooms for special events. We also have, what a lot of people don't know, we do shredding, confidential document shredding on site. There are a few people in the community that actually do community events and where you can bring your documents and have them shredded at no cost. And we can provide shredding for your business too on a monthly basis, where we provide you with a cabinet. We also have a gravel pit, so we can provide any different types of aggregate materials. We have gravels, fill sand, dirt, pit run, a lot of products like that. We also have landscaping rocks. We also have an asphalt plant that we provide that material to pavers in the community or in the surrounding areas.
Talking with Steve Alverson from Main Source Bank.
Good morning, John. I'm doing great.
Just wanted to ask you today, kind of tell Giant 96 about Main Source.
Main Source, we're a full-service bank. We provide checking, savings accounts, all the normal banking things. My primary duty is just doing mortgage loans. We also provide construction financing, renovation, if you need to do a room addition, put in a swimming pool. We provide financing for all that. And we also have home equity loans, refinancing, home purchases, first-time home buyer programs. You name it, we've got it.
This is Troy Gilles with Giant 96 Real News. I'm here with Mona Spalding with Sight Realty at the Builders Expo. Can you go and tell us about your business and what you guys do?
Sure. We're Sight Realty. We're located in downtown Shelbyville at 46 East Washington. We are a team concept, so everyone works together. And here's part of my team. There's Lori Cohap, Sherry Talbert, Julia Sturgill. There's a few others that aren't here with us today. But Sight Realty focuses on residential, commercial. We buy, sell, lease, whatever the client needs.
I'm here with Mary Jane Allen from FC Tucker.
Hi.
Can you tell everybody a little bit about yourselves or about your business and what you guys are doing?
Sure can. I'm with FC Tucker, Shelby County. We, of course, sell real estate. We've been in the business for several years now. We purchased our business from Sandy Circus, who started in the 60s, and we are still going strong.
I'm here with Bobby Berar with A&B Overhead Doors. Did I spell that right?
Yeah, that's correct. You did a good job with that.
All right. So can you tell us a little bit about what your company is, what you guys do?
This is our 30th year. We're in the garage door business, in garage opener business, and we also do construction. So this is our 30th year, so we've been involved with a Home Expo since 2004. We install and we repair all types of doors, and we, and sell new doors and the whole deal.
I'm here with Amy Larison in First Bank Shelbyville. They just built a new building, right?
Yes, we did. We're located over behind the White Castle.
Okay. Mm-hmm. And for those of you who may not know, I know you're a bank, but do you guys do anything else?
Well, just banking stuff, I guess. I mean, we are a full-service bank. A lot of people don't know. We were the little bank inside Kroger, and a lot of people, I think, didn't realize that we are a full-service bank. We have business banking, we do mortgages, we do commercial lending, we have an investment department. So pretty much we do it all.
All right. And about that new building, when does that open up?
We actually opened up January the 18th. But we are having a grand opening, and we like to invite the public to come out on March the 18th. It's a Friday in 2 weeks, and come out and check out our lovely new building. It's amazing. It's got a lot of really cool modern aspects to it, and kind of a new way to do banking. I'm here with John Norris of Custom Cabinetry and Furniture Restoration. All right, so why don't you go and tell everybody what you do?
I'm a smaller shop, so specialty items such as furniture, chairs, beds, tables, that type of thing. A unit like that is easier to run through than, say, like a full kitchen cabinet. I don't have the space, basically, to do that. But I do one-of-a-kinds. If someone has a specific need, like a cabinet to fit on the end of their kitchen, I can do that. Or they've got a cabinet that needs to be replaced and pulled out, I can replace that cabinet and come up with something that would fit in with their decor.
As she said, I'm Brent Parsley. This is Jenny Parsley. We're with Shelbyville Paint Wallpaper. Here to do a presentation demonstration on waterproof flooring options. Okay? Basically, you know, well, first of all, Shaw is our main dealer that came out with a waterproof flooring, waterproof carpet, actually. Before, they've always done a great job with stain resistance. They actually run this carpet through a stain and soil solution. It encapsulates the fibers, so essentially water, spills, accidents, and so forth will not stain your carpet. Everybody's carpet has a latex back. It's just a rough latex back. And what happens is spills, accidents, water leaks, pets, you know, things happen. You live in your home, things happen. And what happens is, as you can see, it gets down into the pad. Worst case scenario is it goes down into your wood floor. You have floor rot. And what happens is, if this carpet is protected, you clean that spill up out of your carpet. But it does not come out of your pad. That's already in your pad, it stays in your pad. Or it gets down to your wood floor, rots your floor out without you even knowing. So now, basically, Shaw has came out with their Lifeguard product. This is essentially a plastic, thermal plastic that they put on the backing. And I'll pass this around, but I'll show you. It basically does not let water penetrate through it. It will sit there, it will hold your pet stain, your accident, your coke, whatever you spilled, will not go through that carpet. It gives you a chance to get that cleaned up. It gives you a chance to renew your carpet without getting down into your pad or rotting yourself.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Chris, and I'm with a company called ESI. I'm in the energy efficiency consulting, testing business. The big reason I'm here today is to promote a ductwork sealing program that those utility companies provide at no charge to their customers, assuming the home qualifies for their program. And I would take a few minutes for me to talk with each individual to determine whether your particular home would qualify for the program. But let's assume that it does. They will pay my company to come out and seal up your ductwork that's running around in your crawl space or your attic. And the reason we seal it up is because there's little joints everywhere that air leaks out. And so if it's in your crawl space of your attic, your heat, your air conditioning is just going out into your crawl space of your attic. It's wasting energy. So, but besides just small leaks, sometimes we'll go into crawl spaces or attics or so forth. We'll find them where they've fallen apart, because contractors sometimes won't put any screws in here, and over time it vibrates, it falls apart. I have found as many as 5 of these disconnected in one person's crawl space. So what we do is we come out, we take this mastic, it's in this bucket right here, it's like some thick caulk or something, and we spread it around on all the joints everywhere, eliminate the leakage. Or if we find one disconnected, we'll get it back together, put some screws in it like I said earlier, and get you going again. If you have flex duct, sometimes some homes have flex duct in their house. We'll go in here and pull this back to where it connects onto the ductwork. We'll take one of these bands, we'll make sure it gets connected on there really tight with a special tool that we have. And we tighten those bands down, we make sure it's on there really tight, and then we also mastic around that. And then we'll pull that insulation up over the top of it, we'll band it again. You have a leak-free joint that way.
From Giant 96 in Shelbyville, this is Real Radio News on Giant96.com.